We're here in Gisborne, New Zealand at White Pointer Boats, one of the country's most premium builders. Today we've teamed up with them on a custom build for Australian YouTuber Matt Field, better known as Field Days. This boat has been upgraded with ballistic flex paint and flex clear inside the cabin and along the sides, built for extreme durability. Let's go meet White Pointer's owner Rex and see what makes these boats so special. Hey guys, it's Brad from Bodyliner. I am here in Gisborne, White Pointer Boats. Rex, I gotta ask you, how long has White Pointer Boats been around?
We officially started in 1992. I'd been dabbling in learning process of building boats for several years before that, and realised just how much fun and creative it was to be able to build something that had a purpose of going out through the waves and the sea and bringing pleasure.
It's awesome. Well, I was walking around the back where you guys make the boats, and I tell you, it sure looks different than any other boat company I've ever been in. Even looking at the hulls, what really separates White Pointer from lots of the other brands out there?
Essentially, they're all built of aluminium. I think we strive for an aesthetic shape.
Yep.
Looks good on the eye, you know, and you feel nice to own it, you know?
Yeah.
It's a good feeling. They back themselves up by how well they really go through the water. They were derived originally from commercial design beginnings. I realised that wasn't going to fly. We just kept stylising them for the recreational market, and 600 odd boats and 30 odd years later we're still punching, so.
Oh, that is awesome.
Yeah.
Well, I'm really excited to see Bodyliner sitting on the boat that we got here, a cigar lounge for Matt from Field Days. And I gotta ask you, what do you think Bodyliner can do for your business and on your boat?
It's been quite an eye-opener for us as a first glimpse, and thank you for coming and showing us your product.
Oh, excited.
It is completely different to a paint system. We're just learning this, and if it can save me substantially in some of the prep labour work, that's what we'll be looking to do. But we've seen already how the surface finish is just incredibly deep and rich. And if it's as tough as it is deep and rich, we're onto a winner.
That is awesome. Thank you so much, Rex, for having us down here, and I'm so looking forward to hitting the water.
Good on. No problem.
Cheers.
No problem.
After weeks of design, craftsmanship, and a beautiful Bodyliner finish, it's time for the big reveal. The White Pointer team has delivered a boat with unmatched strength and style. Let's see Matt's reaction when he lays eyes on it for the first time.
Wow! Holy dooly! What an absolute weapon. That's big and beauty, eh? That's a flooring in it. Boys, you've done well. This is incredible.
When you put White Pointer and Bodyliner together, the results isn't just a boat, it's a weapon built for adventure. From offshore spray to rugged landings, this hull is ready to work as hard as Matt does, with a finish that shrugs off salt, sun, UV, chemical, and impact. Let's take her out on the water and see what she can do. What started as a vision in the White Pointer factory has now hit the waves. Built tough for Field Days and finished with Bodyliner protection. Premium craftsmanship, next level durability, and a new chapter for a boat that's about to be featured in front of millions. Let's hear what Matt thinks. Guys, I'm here with Matt from Field Days. We just hit the water. I gotta ask Matt, what do you think of how that thing went in the water?
Mate, I'm actually a little bit lost for words. It's hard to describe. It is super smooth. There's no banging, there's no clanging. Man, it's a smooth boat. Not only that, how sexy is it?
Gorgeous.
It's a very appealing on the eye. I love it. I love it. I'm in love.
I can't wait to see some of the adventures you're gonna have. If you guys haven't seen Field Days, Matt's YouTube channel, you gotta go check that out on YouTube right now. Can't wait to see the adventures this thing's happening. And of course, she's coated in Bodyliner. See you guys later. Cheers, man. Big thanks to Rex, Angus, and the White Pointer crew, and to Matt from Field Days. Bodyliner's flex paint, flex clear inside and out, and now it's time for real adventures. If you want to see this rig work, follow Field Days. Next stop, the ocean.